Hello, if you would love to cancel your Microsoft 365 subscription, maybe you have changed your mind to upgrade your service. So how to do it? Just simply go to admin.cloud.microsoft. Then after going there, you will find this kind of interface. Before coming here, you have to log in using your username and password. After going there, just simply find out billing from the left options. Sometimes you may see in that way, the navigations menus are already been hidden, but simply click on three aligned dot and then go to the billing. After going there, you will have different options. From those options, just click on the first one and find out your products. After going there, when you will click on your products, and you will have some other options like which services you are already using. Just simply select them what you want to cancel, and after selecting that one, just see cancel subscription is shown here, and simply click on cancel subscription. And after canceling or clicking there, you will have another option called cancel now or cancel on trial end date. Though I just purchased the trial version to see how it works, so I have changed my mind and I am going to purchase it again when my setup is done already. So simply click on cancel now if you would love to cancel immediately, and if you want to cancel when the trial will end, then you can select this one. So I'm selecting on cancel now, and then simply click on next. So after clicking here, you will have another option which is called why are you going to cancel this one. So I am going to cancel this one because it's up to you which one you have to choose from here. Just simply click on cancel now after selecting your desired one and go. Let's wait for another few seconds. You'll see the option has already been popped in. So your request is being verified. Please wait for a few moments until it is accepted. So before going to cancel this one, you have to maybe wait for another few more hours. Sometimes it took 24 hours. So let's wait for that moment. And yes, there was an issue, maybe the network issue that persists from my side. Just simply go through and go with that option which is called okay. So your trial has been cancelled. As you may see, my option is okay. Now I can click on done, and then after clicking on done, you can see it subscription has been disabled. So I have another one which is called Entra ID free. So that was purchased with this one, business premium, that's 365. I want to cancel this one again as well, though it will automatically be disabled when the main service is cancelled. Let's see if it is not, then what to do. Just simply refresh the menu and see if it persists here. Just need to wait for another few seconds until the things are fully loaded. So yes. Based on your network, it may take time. Like sometimes it took more than 2 to 3 seconds or 10 seconds. Sometimes it can take less than that. Just simply click here to yes, this one, and then click on cancel subscription again, and then wait for another few moments. And see, this has already been cancelled. So if you'd love to do this, just simply go to admin.cloud.microsoft and see here is an option called subscription. So from subscription, cancel your subscribed option that you have already did. So I would love to thank you again, like give you a thanks again. And if you find it really useful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question or you're facing some other problems of purchasing this one, then simply let us know. I will, or we will try to let you know what the problem and the solution that you wanted to get. Thank you again.